Here we have a bit of history, one of the first cassette players made by Philips in the 70s. It doesn't play any cassettes, but when we listen carefully we can hear a bit of noise on the inside, so it looks like the motor is still running. Probably a deteriorated belt that may or may not have turned into tar. Let's have a look. Yup, the belt is not in one piece anymore. Let's replace it. So from the pieces it looks like the size of the original belt was something like this one. Very nice design this. It is clearly from the time Philips still made things to last. Now let's put it back together. And do a little test. Here we go, 50 years old, and the only thing wrong was a broken belt. That was a nice little repair. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe or be my total hero and join the channel. I hope you will join me in the next video. Bye then!